welcome back to our channel live review. Today we are back with another unboxing of an Amazfit device. This is the latest from Amazfit. This is the Amazfit Bip 6. Recently we did the unboxing of the Amazfit Active 2 also. I will put the link of that above. Go check that out if you haven't. So this is the Amazfit Bip 6. I bought this for around 7,999. It has just been launched. I got this from Amazon. Okay, and let me just show you around the box. This is how it will look from the side. And Bip 6 model number, blah blah. Okay, Android 7, and the MRP of this is listed as 14,000, almost 15,000, but as I said, I got this for around 7,999. Okay, so and of course this is made in China. This is nice. Alright, so I'm quite excited for this. This is one of the cheapest product from the Amazfit line. But apparently this time this is very good. This is AMOLED display. The sensors are on par with the Active 2, and as you know, the Active 2 uses the sensors for the HYROX 3. So yeah, by comparison, so A is equal to B is equal to C. So Bip 6 almost is as accurate as the HYROX 3. That can be said. Okay, the logo here, and okay, this is the watch. Quite nice. I got the golden and the sage variants. As you can see, this is metal, so this is also another nice. This is the first time the Bip line is using metal aluminum frame. This is not aluminum, in fact this is plastic, but this is made to look like an aluminum. Also this is speakers this time. We'll go more into this soon. Let me just check what else is there in the box. There should be a charger. Yes, so Amazfit has moved on to this puck size. It was the same for the Active 2 also. I think this is the same exact same charging puck. Yeah, USB-C, and a little bit of rubberized below so that it does not slide while you are charging it. Okay, and some paperwork here. The paperwork of this one is a little bit thin. With Active it was quite huge. Okay, so Discover Amazing, similar to the other ones. And what I like is this almost looks flush. It almost looks like this from the Apple watches. That's nice. Okay, and it has two buttons. So another thing that I like is this is textured. As you can see, this is textured and this one is not. So you can by the feel itself you can understand which is which. So this is the workout button, and this is the back usual button. Microphones here, speaker here. This is nice. As I said, this is for the first time. Let me just open this. The band is quite nice. This is silicone, and this is very stretchy and comfortable. Very nice quality, I have to say. This is the best Bip Amazfit has ever made. Okay, this is how it looks, and let me check if this has any power in this. Okay, so there is some juice. Okay, English, download mobile app. So you can see, okay, this is quite nice, I have to say. Huge screen, AMOLED screen, and the screen is very vibrant. This does not feel like a 7,000 8,000 rupees watch. This is very good metal. This actually gives a very premium look. Let me just bring in the Active also along with this. So this is how it looks. Very similar in types of looks. This is the stainless steel. This is aluminum. So I would have to say, and they use the same sensors as I was saying. Even the HYROX 3 has the same sensor for this. This is quite nice, and this is the speaker. Very good. Awesome. So one thing I just noticed, this is a little bit curved. This is not straight, totally straight. As you can see, the screen is a little bit curvy here, and yeah, this is metal here, and very high quality strap. This is quite nice, and this is replaceable. I think this is 20 mm, but you can see this is very well made. Now let me just show you how this to charge this. So let's do the magnet test. Very strong magnet, very strong magnet. I'm just shaking it very vigorously, but yeah, this is not going to competition. I would say right now this is the most value for money watch that Amazfit is making right now. So if you're looking for a watch just in a budget section, even like if your budget is around 10,000, I would say go for this. The only difference between this and the Amazfit Active 2 is this one lacks the temperature sensor. This one, the Active 2 has the temperature, this one does not have the temperature, and usually I think even the battery life of the Bip 6 is more than the Active 2. I think this is 10 days and this is 14 days or something. I would wholeheartedly recommend instead of the Active 2 go for the Bip 6 if you do not have any need for the temperature sensor. Okay, so I will be, okay, it's already started preparing. Okay, I will be doing the full review of this very soon. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see that, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out our latest videos. Goodbye.